Someone paid me $500 for an app I built in 20 minutes. No code, no team, just me and an AI tool called Lovable. And before you say, bro, that sounds fake, stick around. I'm going to show you the exact build, the exact pitch, and how to find people who will pay this. Lovable is an AI app builder. You describe what you want in plain English, and it generates a real working web application. Front end, back end, database, all of it. No Figma, no React, no Stack Overflow at 2 in the morning wondering why your button won't center. Lovable just builds it.
It connects to Supabase for your database. It gives you a real hosted URL you can share with a client on the same day, and it looks genuinely professional.
Now, if you've seen my Bolt.new video, you know I already built a booking app with no code. Lovable is different, it goes deeper. I'll show you why in about 60 seconds.
Here's the difference. Bolt.new builds you an app from scratch. Lovable does that too, but it also thinks like a product. Authentication, databases, user logins, it's wired in from the start.
So who actually pays $500 for a 20-minute app? Not a corporation, not a startup, a solopreneur, a coach, a consultant, a course creator.
These people are making real money, $3 to $5 or even $10,000 a month, but they're managing their clients with Google Sheets and praying nothing falls through the cracks. You come in and say, I'll build you a branded client portal. Your clients log in, see their sessions, upload progress documents, track their progress. It looks like you spent $10,000 on it.
You charge $500 upfront, $50 a month to maintain it, get 5 clients like this, that's $250 a month just to keep the lights on for 5 apps. Okay, let me show you this live. I'm going to build a client portal called CoachSpace for a life coach who has 12 clients and a very sad spreadsheet.
Let's see how easy it is to build a full-stack web application from a simple text prompt using Lovable. We'll start on the main dashboard and paste a detailed prompt outlining our new app. CoachSpace, a platform designed for a life coach to manage clients online. It details our required authentication, specific user roles, and a structured dashboard layout. After entering our prompt, we'll just hit build. In just a matter of moments, the application is compiled. On the right, a fully interactive live preview pane launches, presenting the clean, user-ready welcome page for CoachSpace. Now that the foundation is ready, first we will toggle over to sign up. The app notifies us that the first account created automatically claims the head coach role, while all subsequent accounts join as clients. Let's enter the details and click Create Account. Once registered, we can log in directly. Entering the new credentials takes us straight into the main Coach Workspace dashboard. From this hub, you get a clean summary of your business, tracking active clients, completed sessions, and upcoming slots. To populate our client roster, we can hit Add Client, fill out their details, assign a temporary password, and click Create Client. Once both mock profiles are added, we can easily navigate away from the primary dashboard. When testing our newly built app, we notice a problem. The database records for our clients exist, but they are not appearing in our active workspace view. This points directly to a Supabase row-level security policy issue. Instead of manually combing through lines of code, we can simply explain the error to Lovable's AI chat assistant in plain English. Lovable immediately goes to work troubleshooting. It analyzes the underlying database relationships, diagnoses the broken RLS queries, and automatically updates the code properties. It fixes the mapping error between the user profiles and coach tables, dynamically rebuilding the backend structure in less than 40 seconds. Once the AI finishes applying the fix, we log back into our CoachSpace profile to validate the solution. The data sync is now working perfectly, and both of our test clients immediately populate on the main roster dashboard. With Lovable, diagnosing and fixing complex database security permissions is as simple as sending a quick text message. With our clients successfully populated, let's explore how to manage individual progress and appointments. From the main dashboard, we'll click on Lucy's profile to open her dedicated client view. Her profile provides a complete overview, including contact details, session history, and a visual progress tracker. To book a new meeting, click Schedule Session. This opens a modal where you can select the date and time, confirm the session status, and securely log any pre-meeting notes or action items. Once saved, the session immediately populates under her history. As she completes tasks, You can dynamically update her progress bar, keeping her track record current. Returning to the main dashboard, the app instantly recalculates our global metrics. We now see that we have scheduled one upcoming session with Lucy. From the main CoachSpace dashboard, we can look under the hood of our generated application at any time by clicking the code toggle at the top of the screen. This transitions the interface into a full-featured code explorer. On the left, you can navigate the entire project directory. You can inspect front-end React components like the accordion, review your authentication hooks, or adjust the global CSS theme variables. By expanding the Superbase folder, you can even dive directly into the raw SQL migration files to review your complete database schema, table structures, and the custom row-level security policies the AI created, and take control if needed. Next, let's explore the platform's cloud backend console. By clicking the More option on the upper menu, we open our project's configuration settings. The initial tab, Analytics, is currently blank because it requires the project to be fully published before live metrics can be tracked. Moving down to the Cloud tab, you can view your ongoing AI consumption, check database table distributions, manage verified project users, or configure active API secrets. The adjacent Emails tab offers a portal to route automated messages directly from your custom domain to enhance your application's professional credibility. Further down, the Payments tab allows you to natively set up built-in gateway portals or connect directly to a Shopify storefront. Finally, the Security and SEO sections offer active safety scanning alongside full AI-driven search optimizations to guarantee your application is secure and optimized for search engines.
Now, how do you find coaches and consultants who will actually pay? 3 places: Twitter/X, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Let me show you exactly what to look for.
If you search for a coaching platform builder from a client's perspective, you'll see top freelance developers actively charging $50 to $100 an hour. Searching the job board reveals live postings for interactive coaching platforms and custom client portals are actively offering $30 to $60 an hour. This proves there is a highly profitable market for the exact applications we can now build in minutes. Now on LinkedIn, when you search for fitness coach and select your region, you see hundreds of them who are your potential clients. Go ahead and send them a DM. Be persistent to get your first client.
Your DM script is simple. Hey, I noticed you mentioned managing clients manually. I build custom portals for coaches in about a day. Happy to show you a demo, no cost. And remember, these coaches charge $75 an hour. Your $500 portal? That's less than 7 sessions. They'll make that back in a single day.
Here's how I price this. $300 to $500 for the build. That depends on how complex the app is. Add $50 a month for hosting and updates. That's your retainer. Lovable's paid plan starts at $25 a month. You're spending $25, you're making $500. The math on this is almost unfair.
And once you've built one portal, you've basically got a template. The next client takes you half the time. You already know the prompts, you already know the flow. It just gets faster from here. I put together a free resource pack. It has the exact Lovable prompt I used to build CoachSpace, plus a client pitch script and a pricing calculator. Link is below.
We post every week. Real tools, real methods. No fluff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. I'll see you in the next one.